Today, I want to talk about how to save money on Disneyland Paris tickets. Visiting a Disney park is an amazing experience, and I want everyone to experience it. But as you know, visiting a Disney park is not cheap. So that's why it's so important that we as travelers take advantage of every discount we can so we can make visiting a park like Disneyland Paris a reality. So, what you'll need to do is go to Green Vacation Deal's website. We have a QR code provided, and you can use that, or you could just Google Green Vacation Deals. That way, you could find our blog entry on 7 ways to save money on Disneyland Paris tickets. In the blog entry, we tell you about different third party websites that are selling Disneyland Paris tickets for cheaper prices than if, say, you just showed up to Disneyland Paris and bought your tickets then. We tell you about a promo code, for example, that will save you 5% on your ticket. There's also another website where there's just an automatic 8% discount. But we also tell you about other ways to save money. You can do this by bundling your ticket with other parts of your travels. For example, you could book a package with Disneyland Paris tickets and your Disneyland Paris hotel together. This saves you money. Or you could book your Disneyland Paris tickets along with other attractions in Paris, like a Paris hop on, hop off bus tour. Because chances are, if you're visiting Paris, you're not going to only visit Disneyland. Then there are ticket packages where you can get freebies, like free Disneyland Paris souvenir prints. This won't actually save you money on tickets, but again, it will help you save money on your overall trip. So there are definitely ways you can save money on Disneyland Paris tickets. You just have to know which websites to visit. So once again, we urge you to visit Green Vacation Deals, where we tell you how to get these discounted Disneyland Paris tickets. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can find out ways to save money on other trips too.